Hello guys, this is Chan the Creative Cat, and in this video we'll talk a little bit about Ricky and we'll talk a little bit about budgies because this is their last day with us. So we'll give them like a goodbye. This is like a goodbye video for them. That's Kiwi, she's a very active birdie, and that's Snowy, just cleaning himself out. So I had to take some of the toys and things out because they're gonna go soon. Oh yeah, Ricky's like here screaming. So I cleaned the cage out like 2 days ago. No, not even 2 days, like yesterday. Yeah, I cleaned the cage yesterday and just all day. Need to clean it like a little bit out today again because they're gonna go. Put some water, you can't really see from here, and I put some food. That's Ricky, just like that's my baby. He was just dancing here, making his mating dance. Oh god, he just loves when you do videos and things about him. So how can you see he has very changed? I might put a little picture of him before. So how you can see he has very changed. I'm just saying that. She is because she really likes standing by the window. She just screams a lot. That's Ricky. They are both the birds that scream the most. Okay. He has his ring all around him. Yeah, at the back and in front. So he's like a big boy. He's gonna turn 3 next year. With his ring and his gender thing, it took me so long and it was very stressful for me. I'm just gonna do this. It was very stressful for me. I learned him to do some tricks, so he flew into my hand, and then we did turn around tricks, and I don't know if he will do it now because I need my both hands. Sorry, let me just do this. About his gender, it took me a while to find out because yeah, he's giving you guys a big kiss. It took me a while because he looked like a female to me. Like if you just he wasn't as bright as he is now. He was a little bit like, oh my god, he's just trying to destroy a phone case like what he always does. Just go back, baby. Oh my god, let me just come on. So yeah. I haven't done videos for a while when I was like recording and talking, because I record video then talk through my computer, so I don't really know what to say. It's like a little bit of vlogging. Yeah, you just screaming a lot. If we have a question why we want to sell them, is because it's very it's because of the noise that they make all together, especially when they both start to sing. That it just very bad type of screaming. Yeah. So you can just see. I need to get a new phone case. It was like my best phone case I ever had, and now it's just like literally getting destroyed by this little chicken. Oh my god, chill out, Ricky. So next what I want to say is Ricky has already made 5,000 followers on his Instagram account. If you want his Instagram, I can leave it in the link below for more details. So he's making followers very quickly, but his views and stuff like that, I'm actually just eating my phone case. God. And it's getting a little bit low. Also, I've made a little phone like where I want to raise money. I was going to raise, oh no, he just flew away. I was going to raise money for Ricky's new friend, but I didn't make enough, so I might just get him a harness and just go outside. So yeah, it's lovely weather, especially in summertime. It's autumn now, so not that good. Come here, Ricky. Okay, just flying around there. Ricky. Yeah, they do have sometimes those problems. I don't really like when Ricky's on top of me because he can do anything, and if you understand me what I mean. Okay, just hurry up. So these budgies do get outside. Oh my god, he's just like so active. I just don't understand how can she be so active. So yeah. I was talking a lot about random things, but didn't go actually about how. Let's just talk a little bit about how to look after a ringneck and budgies. They need a lot of food, like not a lot, but mainly they eat seeds, and you can find them in any pet stores or just stores if they do have like places for pets. I buy their food usually at Pets at Home, but sometimes I can buy it at Wilco's. It depends how quickly they eat their food, and in Wilco's it's usually cheaper. So, but I try to get them more natural and more like from Pets at Home, but it's like the same kind of thing. They like monkey, or like, yeah, I'm pretty sure they're called monkey nuts. They like them. Oh no, they're called peanuts, sorry. Oh my god, he just jumped on my phone. So yeah. Ricky does, I can say, has a little bit of mental problems, if I say it in a nice way. So yeah, that was very like random from him, because he never did that before, did you? I give them lots of fruits like apples, grapes. They also like cucumbers. I just like a few days ago, I was told on Instagram that cucumbers are fruits, but like, I'm just gonna say that they're vegetables because I was always told that they were veggies. But like, hi baby, hi baby. He has never been so active as he is today. So yeah. Oh my god, I just received a call from a person who just wants to get them, and she said that she's gonna come in about an hour. So yeah, well, that's not very good, I can say. So yeah, so guys, I just received a phone call from the person who wants to buy the budgies, and she said that she's gonna come in about an hour. So yeah, like I said, there's no actual reason that we want to sell them. It's to do with Ricky, because if you let him out, that he starts to attack them. And I don't know if I told you, but once there was an accident when this budgie was sitting in the cage. He had like two most biggest accidents that happened that had to do with him and Ricky. Basically, once Ricky chopped off his toe, like his back toe, not on this foot, the other foot, and once he had the thing that Ricky like broke his beak into like into a half, like a little bit. So yeah, but he hasn't been like going for them for like so long, and he might miss them a little bit, or might feel like he's the only bird now. With talking, I can say he doesn't really talk much. Well, he does scream, but yeah, you can see now. He doesn't really scream, but he screams, but he doesn't talk. I did try to learn him to talk. Sometimes, if you just like listen very like at evenings, usually when he just sitting in a cage chilling out, he just starts screaming and then making noises. With that, with the noise part, it's what is it called? Basically, I tried him to learn to say his name. I tried to learn him to say hello and whistle. And if you just like once, and I tried a little bit to learn him to say peekaboo. And if you just like listen at evening times, you can actually hear him saying some words. But then when you look at him, he just like says it silently. He's a little bit of a shy bird. Are you, baby? Yeah. Do you want to go? Yeah, let's just go back to Budgies. I'm gonna miss them a lot, especially her, because she is so cute, and also they're not tamed, and there is a little problem with that, because when you try to let them out and then it takes you ages to put them back in, but because they're birds and they need to fly a little bit, and they just need some just spread out and just like, yeah. So thank you very much, guys. Put like, subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and oh my god, Ricky, just chillax, please. Chillax. Okay. He just wants to destroy my phone case. Might leave a picture of my phone case looking how it looks now, and how I said, I might put a picture of him before and him, like the changes that he have gone through, and we're gonna miss you, Budgies, and hope you will have a lovely new owner and everything, and anything you can wish for, everything best. So hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions to do with parrots, please leave them in the comments so I could answer them. And there's going to be a new video, there's going to be everything new. Try to post as much as possible to make everything more interesting. So thank you very much. Bye bye.